Hi, Captain Ed, Offshore Yacht Sales, and thanks for taking a look at the 1996 29 Blackfin Flybridge. This boat sparkles. Gel coat looks today as it did the day it came out of the factory. '96 boat has the new revised bridge layout with a molded fiberglass hardtop. Swing platform, aft race boat style rudders make this boat spin on a dime. Nice sized cockpit with engine boxes. Engine boxes have cushions, so it makes a great lounging area. Good sized cockpit for a 29-foot boat. Teak covering boards, freshwater washdown. The revised edition has the Flybridge ladder mounted to the cockpit, so it's not necessary to remove it from the engine boxes. Garmin 4212 on the aft bulkhead. The advantage of a Flybridge boat is visibility, and this has a great line of sight. The new bridge features a double-person helm seat, and forward of the console is guest seating. The new revised dash panel not only has all the gauges necessary, has a synchronization gauge, low hours on the Crusader power, room for the latest electronics. On the bridge is a Garmin 4212 12-inch multifunction display, stereo controls, VHF, and Garmin's latest autopilot. The view from the bridge to the cockpit shows you all the corners you need for docking. Engine access is easy. Lift open engine hatches, gas assisted. Rear for these later model boats, these are fuel injected 454 Crusader 7.4s. Very economical and fast. This boat should cruise 22 to 24 knots, top out around 30. Spacious interior for 29-footer. Port side is the dinette that converts to sleep 2. Teak and holly sole. The forward V berths give room to lounge during the day. Put the filler in and you got a great queen-size bed for the evening. Compact functional galley, under counter refrigerator, stainless steel sink, glass burner cooktop, plenty of storage, microwave oven, and a salon-mounted Garmin 5208 GPS. Functional stand-up head with shower. Thanks for looking at this 1996 29 Blackfin. See all the details at www.offshoreyachtsales.com.